Hey, to measure the stress level on the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro, all you have to do is just to wear your device properly. So put it tight on your wrist, so when you move it to the left, right, or up and down, it's actually not moving around your hand. Next, you will have to actually swipe up, then scroll down and go into distress. Now you have to put your hand on the flat surface, or basically on any surface, and click start. Now just calm down and wait for the measuring result. It will take around 20 seconds, really similar time to the blood oxygen level. You can also take a look for the application where you will be able to track all of these measurements. So when you open the Mi Fitness app, and then you can actually find this option right here. Yeah, that's actually the stress data. So when we get our result, we'll actually get it also just right here in the application. Also, it's actually taking more than 20 seconds. I think it's right now around even 40 or 50 seconds. There we go, and we got 17. So it means that we are relaxed. So we can click OK. And now from here, after this synchronizing, we'll get our data in the application and we can just take a look for it right here. So now we can, for example, click on the synchronize. Now let's see if we got it. As you can see here, we can find this on the phone. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.